Hello YouTube friends, thanks so much for joining me again. I want to show you a different kind of primer today. And we are testing you. We are in a testing mode. So bear with me, but I want to show you what I'm doing. It's our homemade primer. This one is with 1 spoon of flour. Then, let me go back here to get my paint. I'm gonna use the same paint as I used on the other one because I want to compare them, and it wouldn't be a fair comparison if I didn't use the same paint. So I'm gonna put this over here and I'm gonna squeeze hard. I'm using Elmer's glue, and you guys can use any glue you want. I just like to use Elmer's glue because I buy those big gallon and I use for a bunch of different things. So it's 1 spoon of flour. You can do with or without baking powder, whatever, self-rising flour or regular flour. I am using regular flour. And 1 spoon of glue. Let me go back here. And then 1 spoon of the paint. I'm gonna use the same one. I don't like this paint too much, but this is what I'm gonna be using. I gotta use it up. I bought a big one and I want to use it up. So let me just remove all the glue from my spoon. I'm gonna use the same spoon. And I want to thank you guys for joining, and I want to thank you guys for signing up for the new notification. And if you have any questions, please just leave me a message and I will answer to all the questions you guys may have. This noise is coming from the paint. It's not me farting. Sorry guys, I couldn't help it. So let me put this paint in there. So here we go. Now it depends on how thick it gets. You add a little bit of water, okay? This paint is thick. So there we go. Now I'm gonna be mixing with my little stick. Again, I'm gonna go over the recipe. So 1 spoon of flour, 1 spoon of paint, and 1 spoon of glue, white glue. Now, if you want to use a different color paint, you're just going to have a different color primer. Let's say if you are doing a big work and you would like to have a different color primer to make life easier so you don't have to do so many coats, you can do that. And you can use any water you want. I'm going to be using the bottled water that I have right next to me. It's just a drinking water. Now you have to put very little water so that you can always add more, you cannot take it out. So once you put the water in, you have to mix it. Now, see, it's almost the same thing as making those plaster. Wow, I think this one is gonna end up better than the other one. But let's do a little bit more water. The thickness, it pretty much has to be as thick as a paint. Now the flour, sometimes you have this little sticky, like little pieces of flour. What you want to do is you want to mix them and push it towards the side of the container to make it smooth as possible. And you don't want it too thick. You want to be able to use a brush and put it on. Now, I'm going to be doing is this one and the other one right next to it, so that tomorrow we're all going to be checking the results. I kind of like this one better than the one that I did prior. Now, we could also do the one that I did before and not put any alcohol or vinegar on it. I put the alcohol and the vinegar so they would be able to store it longer without getting any bacteria or any fungus growth. But I kind of like this one better. I can feel the texture on this one is thicker, is whiter. And the other one, I didn't even add any water to it. So I think I'm gonna leave this one not too thick. I'm gonna make it a little bit like a paint. So I don't know, I'm just eyeballing the amount of water that I'm putting on, and I want to make the thickness of a paint. Sorry guys, it takes so long to mix this up. I should probably stop the video, but I hate to be editing videos, so bear with me. My videos are just as they come, as you get them as I get them. So please subscribe. So here it is, and I think this is thick enough. Now I am gonna use this on a bottle as well, but I'm not gonna tape it so you guys don't have to watch that. But tomorrow when we all come back, I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out, because these two bottles that I have here, and they're glass. Ouch, I just touched it and it's not dry. I used the other one, so I have a feeling that I'm gonna like this one better, but I guess we're not gonna know until tomorrow. So here it is, the consistency. It's just thin, and let me see if I can move it closer to you guys. See, it's kind of like, looks better than the other one. Let's put it that way. So I'm gonna be doing the glass. I'm gonna clean the glass with alcohol, and I'm also gonna be doing some of the same pieces that I did with the other one, because I want to be able to compare them all, and the bottles. So tomorrow, guys, please subscribe, and once I finish those videos, I'm gonna put them together, and I will link them to each other, so that if you see this, you also be able to see all of them, so that you see the results and the application. So I'm just cleaning this bottle with alcohol, and I have my pencils inside of it, so I got some stuff inside, but I want to do a little decoupage on it, and I want to do the primer. So tomorrow you guys are gonna come back and see the results. Thanks so much for joining me. Please subscribe to the channel, help my channel grow, and let's do a bunch of art together. I want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be doing something like this, and I'm gonna be taping, so you guys can learn how I did it, and we're all gonna be doing it together. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe so we can see the results tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.